still at the same place. It's just a training base. Speed police training base. Whole route. Which we're going to have a look at. We've just come from another Napoleonic fort. Quite interesting. It's quite interesting. Yeah. So this is a shooting battery and pages going to training place. Got to be very, very quiet, so excuse us whispering. This is the last building we're going to do today. What's that?
It's only a little one.
Don't use no torches.
It's dim, so you're not going to see it.
Another way in. Totally been trashed in there. But yeah, the security has got a caravan type thing in the middle of the compound, so we're just trying to walk around it without getting busted. And it's probably another 8 different buildings. This place is absolutely massive. So yeah, it's like toilets maybe. But yeah, toilets. Ripped out. Put the light on if you want to.
It's all dim.
Remember, if anyone comes, just run. Run. See, these iPhones aren't too bad.
They're really good.
Look at that payphone place. Look, there's enough. Please keep your feet off the wall. Yeah, look, it was a payphone. Look. It's all right. Cameras. Danger, full cleaning in progress. Stuff alley. What's in there? Alright, too much noise. Too much noise. 86. That's not more. Just select everything. There's something in here. There is an upstairs, which we'll go up in a minute. What's this saying here? Any damage to the carpet will be charged for. Yeah. Okay. We'll go upstairs, yeah. We're going to do the upstairs.
Yeah.
Probably we'll try not to use the torches. Anyway, so, he says,
Shine it down there.
use the torch. It's getting a bit dark outside as well, so it's a bit okay.
Yeah.
place is proper overgrown.
Speaker.
Yeah. Keep pushing on. There's loads more buildings that I really want to get to. But that's where his security man's shed is. Some more buildings over there. And this place is absolutely huge, isn't it, Kurt? Yeah. When I've counted the latest, the buildings have actually been in, but I still reckon it's probably the same again to get in.
You what?
There's probably about another 6 or 7 big buildings to get in.
Yeah.
See, a lot of them might be like rooms like this, but the ones where the security man is, they're not. They're different. Anyway. That's a bit different, people. Doubles. And rooms 110 to 120.
Shit. The fucking door came open.
Language, Timothy.
The door came open.
So I don't know about it. It's really funny, like we're tiptoeing through the tulips.
It's hard not to swear today.
It's you, isn't it? It's
Yeah, I'm real bad today. Got an evil mouth.
It's a bit jumpy as well. Look out here. Opens up out here actually. There's like, try not to. You can see that. There's another building through just to the right of the trees. And it looks like it's earmarked for building over there, to be honest. It's going to be bulldozed down, well, I don't know. But there's a building over there that I really want to get in, but it's like, didn't risk it. 117. It just keeps going and going. Holy moly. Let me switch off the lights. The bath.
Be careful the glass.
You're having a laugh. No, I'm not. I'm having a bath. Jesus. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, might be over there. Oh, okay. Excuse me, people. I just clicked down. I can see how people got that building over there. I can't see where his thing is. We're going to see if we can get into that yet. We can get down these steps.
Nah, it's too risky.
Let's have a look. Hang on, hang on.
It's too risky, man. It's safe.
So, we can probably get him that one. Let's get down.
Whereabouts is he?
He's in over there. He's not here. Can't get down there anyway because it's all blocked off.
Is he far away from us?
Yeah, I think he's not right. We're all right. So let's get down here. Okay, people, come back down. What was that? Stock. three options. Isn't it?
Don't just stand there, we've got to get out.
Look and okay, that's a dog. It's not a dog. Fucking dog. That's a dog. It's not a dog. It's either a deer or a fox.
That's a dog.
It's not. It's a deer or a fox. Well, if it's not a deer or a fox, you're looking at the Wendigo or a skinbreaker or walk or whatever they call them. It's not a dog. Sounds like a muntjac deer.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's fucking noisy.
There's another one. It's either a fox or a deer. But it's attention we don't really need. Oh, like I say, it's a skinwalker. Mothman. How did we get in here? Is it this way? Yeah. Right. We go down here. Yeah, it's a deer. People, it's proper spooky. You know what I mean? You're trying to dodge security, you've got things going off everywhere, babies slamming, all sorts of stuff. Either way, it's been a fun day, isn't it?
Yeah, this one is definitely, we're on the edge now.
Yep. That's the way you look at it. On the edge, mate. Always on the edge. Just having a peek out here, people. No, you're not getting down those steps, so you've got to go out the way we come in. Over that land over to the right hand side there, that's all earmarked for building. So you know what's going to happen here eventually, don't you?
Knock it down.
There is one last building block to get over there.
Yeah, and if we knock it down, then why have security?
I can't see them turning it into anything. If they leave it, let it go much longer than what it's like now, then they're not going to be able to do anything with it, are they? Still hear stuff. You hear it? It's not a dog. The dog doesn't go, oh. The dog will be barking like that. It's a fox or a deer. Money's on the deer. Can't get out that way, can we? Back up this way. So we've got banging, we just come from that way, people. We've got banging from upstairs, not a single bang. We get down here, it's kicking off upstairs.
Yeah.
Right. Put my light on real low. Still kicking off. Which way is it coming in? Is it this way? Oh, I don't know. We came in the wrong way. Yeah. Okay. Keep the torch down low. There we are. Okay, we've just been up there less than bang once, mate. As soon as we come down here, it's just like bang, bang, bang. Just wait, we're gonna wait here a minute.
That's the easiest way out.
Yeah, I know. If that thing's kicking off, security might come down there. You wanna go?
Just keep
Right. Go on then. I'm going to look out to your right because
right. Where we going? I don't know where we're going. I don't know where we're going.
Walk down to the end of the Go. Right, that's the most weirdest sound. I'm probably 90% sure that's a deer. Just to have a bit of a gamekeeping background, and that's what it sounds like. If not, like I say, it's either a skinwalker or some kind of weird creature, you know, like the rake or whatever they call it. We've disturbed it from its place.
This place has definitely had some
Yeah.
spooky times. You know, being Halloween and all.
Yeah, I'll tell you, in those buildings with it all the doors banging.
It's the Halloween special.
Yeah. Let's go around this way a little bit. We'll push this a little bit further, and then we're probably going to might not even get to the building. Probably worth a look. We'll always come back another day because it's only whatever this thing opens left of it. Just up there. Right in there. This.
Yeah.
People, let me show you Kev's nose. Off camera. I don't think it's the dog.
Don't risk it.
Building.
It could be an alarm system.
An alarm system.
Some alarm systems have got a real funny sound somehow.
What, of an animal?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all earmarked for building there. We'll get in that way anyway. Stay there. There's two people just round the corner there.
Let's go.
Not security yet. They're looking at the markings where this lot is.
Oh.
Yeah, but we won't walk into them. Right, have a look here. I'm going to push it just a little bit more.
Keep saying that.
If anyone comes and walking off the wheel. So we're just walking over to the right side of over there. See those buildings over there? There's 3 floors to all that right over there. We haven't even got to that today. So Kev, what do you reckon?
Nah, not that one, because that's right by the...
Right, we've pushed our look enough today. I'm willing to come back here another weekend if
Yeah.
you are, and we'll push it and see if we can get into this lot. And there's more buildings past all this as well.
I reckon that one they're guarding the most.
Could be right. Either way, we'll find a way. Right, people, we're going to leave it like that because I've kept on pushing Kev, and do you know what I mean? I think we've done all right, really, haven't we? I think we've
Yeah.
done pretty well. So, that deer barking It's freaked us out a bit, and it's Halloween night, and it's starting to get dark a little bit, and we've got about half hour walk back. So yeah.
Yeah. It's
Anyway,
been a good day.
It has been a very good day. We've done numerous amounts of videos. Been lucky so far. Make sure we get out here, security won't rumble us. And if they do, I can run really quick. Show him the back front though, he's got a bad leg. So be alright though, mate.
Cheers.
I would be. Anyway, yeah, we're going to leave it there. We've enjoyed today. Hope you enjoy all these videos that are going to come from here. And like I say, I think if we do come back, Kev, it's going to have to be pretty quick because they are going to be building here and security is going to be stepped up loads.
Yeah.
So there you are. We'll leave it there, people. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed all this. There's still lots of buildings to get into, lots of stuff to be discovered here, and I'm pretty sure there is more World War II stuff all buried in all these mounds. Yeah. What is that, Kev? Hang on a minute, people. Just in case we discover something else.
I think it's just a drain.
Yeah. Oh well.
Oh well.
There's more fencing around here. Shiny padlock on it as well, so I'm presuming I can hear it humming, so that's electricity.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, as we walked up here anyway from the Marcella Tower, I'm pretty sure there is more World War II stuff all underneath these brambles because it's just like littered. Now, we've had a good day, so alright, Kev. Again, Spawn with Kev. Oh, it's just RJC Explorers. Take care. Thank you very much, as always. And we'll keep on doing what we do best. Exploring. Exploring!
See you later.
Bye.